Let us now start the process of installing Anaconda. Before that, let us go to my computer properties. Just right click and go to the properties and note down the bit size of your operating system. So here my operating system is Windows and it is 64-bit operating system. Now let us go to the your favorite browser and type anaconda.org. Then here click on the download Anaconda on the top right. So click here, download Anaconda. It will open another web page. Scroll down and then click download. So here, based on your operating system and the bit size, select the installer. So here I am selecting 64-bit graphical installer since my operating system is Windows and it is 64-bit. As soon as you click, it will start downloading. So it will take about 1 to 2 minute time depending on the internet speed. So I will do fast forwarding. So here my installation is about to complete. You can also refer to the document where I have mentioned the step-by-step process of Anaconda installation. So once the download has been completed, you just click open it. So here click on the next, accept the license agreement, install for just me, and here in the destination folder you can change it. Since in my folder I already have Anaconda 3, I will just change the folder name. So for your case, if you want you can change it, otherwise you can leave as it is. Since I already have Anaconda 3 already installed in my system, I'll make another folder. So Anaconda tutorial. Click OK. Next, so this is an important step. You have to choose both of the options. So I will select both and click on the install. So it will take around 10 to 15 minute time to complete the installation here, because this is a big file and it will install all the beautiful libraries which Python has given to us. So I will do fast forwarding. So here my installation is complete. Click on the next. Click on the next here. And then finish it. So our Anaconda has been installed. Now to open the Anaconda, to start the Anaconda, you have to go to the start path and type Anaconda and then click open. You can choose remind me later on. So there are some environment for Python, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, then Qt console, Spider, then we also have a RStudio for R programming. So in our entire session we will be working on Jupyter Lab. So click on the launch. So it will open on a web browser. So at this point it will ask for the option for the web browser. So select on the Python. So here if you see on the top left, this Python is running on the desktop and it will display all the folder on the desktop. So here you can choose any one of the folders. So here I am choosing Python training on the desktop folder. So here this is my cell where you can write the Python code. So I am writing my first program. print first line of code. Executed. The other way to execute is Control plus Enter. Execute. So we can say that our Anaconda installation is successful. Here you can change the name of the file. This is my first program. Rename it, click and save it.